What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a shoe I've been trying to get my hands on for a long time. And we're talking about the Nike SB Dunk Low De La Soul.
Yeah. We're talking about the De La Souls.
Nope.
That's not De La Soul?
That's not their flow at all. Their flow is more like me, myself, and I.
Dude, we talk about the De La. We're talking about the De La Soul dunks. That's my De La Soul flow. De La Soul, that's my flow.
Where do you think they rapping from, man? Like
the 1990s, 80s, right?
1980s,
late
80s.
Yeah, that's that 80s flow.
That's not how they flow, though.
That's not how y'all
flow is
rapping.
like stakes is high. Y'all know them stakes is high when we're talking about ride, vibrations. We're talking about songs like Potholes in My Lawn or Buddy or Me, Myself, and I. So let's look at 1, 2. Not the flow that come from showbiz. De La Soul is from the soul. From this truth I can't deny. Strictly from the Dan Stucky and for me, myself, and I.
That was so hard.
This is classics, man.
That flow sound like one of those songs that you hear on like the elementary school is like saying to each other.
The song in the video, they were in school. So it was like they were sitting in class rapping.
That actually might be tough then.
De La Souls, 3 dudes. Pos.
De La Soul.
No. Pastanus, Trugoy, and Maceo. So Pastanus is crazy because the way they flip their names, it's like the name is actually Sound Sop, and if you flip the word around, then it reads as Pastanus. And Trugoy,
it does.
The Dove is
his name is Sound Sop?
No, that's his rap name.
His rap name is Pastanus.
Pastanus, which is Sound Sop backwards.
They just just started the names and just reversed them.
Trugoy the Dove is the word.
I got you. It's yogurt.
Yes, backwards. Trugoy the Dove. I don't know. His nickname was also the Dove. I don't know why. And then Mace, who is the DJ.
His name is just
Mace.
Same.
Yeah, same. There you go. MACE. Yeah.
ECAM.
Yeah, I don't think his name goes backwards.
I don't know.
Anyway, De La Soul. So they did a collab initially in 2005 with Nike, and it was a high top. And then this is the low top that came through in 2015. So this is a 7-year-old shoe. So I had to do a little reach back to get this shoe that I've been really wanting and eyeballing for a long time. And I just really liked it a lot.
2015 really is a reach back.
That's 7 years ago. It's a shoe, man, that I dig it. Let's just get into this box, man. We talking a lot. Let's get into the shoe.
Hold on. First off,
what's up?
Y'all know you need to ring that notification bell.
There you go. If it's your first time here, ring the bell. Stay in contact with us. Know what we're doing.
Ring.
All right.
Now let's go.
Here we go.
Oh.
De La Soul. The De La Soul dunk. So you see, I copped this over on eBay. This is a kind of artifact-like, right? Like
this is like TMNT.
Like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
Yeah.
It is kind of turtle colors, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a good point.
It's hard.
They did some great materials on this shoe, classic SB style. So you got the extra padded tongue, of course.
Yeah.
Right? Nike SB, nothing on the back of the tongue, like no hidden symbols or anything like that they've been doing lately. But this is kind of rubberized around the edge of the shoe, and this artwork you're seeing there is actually from the 3 Feet High and Rising album cover.
It looks like a comic book.
Yeah, it's not. It's 3 Feet High and Rising. Yeah. Now looked at it.
You know what would have a tough SB dunk?
Who's that?
MF Doom.
Yeah, I feel like they did something with MF Doom.
I was about to. Yeah.
I think that was a thing, but it wasn't like an album cover on it.
Right, but that'd be hard though.
Yeah, I think that was something that was actually done. But the De La, you got the De La, the album cover trim on the back. You got this like light green. This is like a real green. Like I guess is that like a Kelly green kind of color? You don't know the different greens.
Yeah,
a little bit. Done a lot of things with Crayola back in the day when we were young.
Facts. I never had that 100 pack.
You never had that with all the colors. But we got this elephant print in green around the front.
Yeah.
So they went classic Nike, style with the elephant print. That's a Nike Jordan thing, really. And then we got like some suede in the toe box. And on the side panel here, as well as on the back of the shoe. Yeah. So this is all suede around there. And then we've got the green on your swoosh, obviously. Nike on the back, and the green around the midsole, as well as the laces. And I want to say these came with brown laces too. could be wrong.
You know what I love?
Are there extra laces in one of yours?
Nah.
But no, maybe they didn't come with extra laces.
Yeah, but you know what I love about just the SB Dunk line?
What's that?
It's how unique they make their shoes.
They definitely
Like
do.
all the SB Dunks, like a ton of them are just like so like creative.
They do.
I feel like that's where everybody that wants to have a collab with Nike, like all the creatives that have collabs with Nike, that's where they put their shoes.
Yeah, and the SB line.
Right.
They do. I mean, the SB goes all into a theme. Like if they commit to it, they do it all out, right?
Yeah.
And this becomes something. I mean, I guess you could skateboard in this back in the day, but it's such a cool shoe, man.
This
It's
actually
so
does
different.
look like a hard skateboarding shoe too.
True. Yeah, you can definitely rock out on this
Yeah.
one. But I won't be skating in it. I'm just gonna wear it with some
neither.
sweats or something. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
But I do like it a lot, and
too.
it's one that I just wanted to always have my hands on. I love De La as a group.
Yeah.
Got, a bunch of their albums and listened to them from way back in the day, like from their first 3 Feet High and Rising.
Their first album?
Yeah, I was in.
You the OG.
I was in middle school. It was like, man, I'm telling you, that golden age, man, of hip hop.
That's really so tough.
It was like De La, they had the Native Tongues, which was a whole collective of rappers. It was De La Soul, the Jungle Brothers was a group, Queen Latifah, she was a rapper. Yeah, when she was fresh and new and hot in the rap game, and Moni Love, and A Tribe Called Quest.
That is
so that
tough.
whole group.
That's hard.
Yeah, they were like a vibe back then, and they were.
See, y'all was really
they were
like,
dope.
I was really like a renaissance, bro. I don't know how
It
that's
was,
really
man.
tough.
It was, man. They did like the song "Buddy." You gotta listen to that. That's a good one. The song they
That's
did.
De La
All of
Soul?
them are on that. It's on.
Oh, the whole collective?
Yeah, it's on their album, but everybody's on that rapping. And back then, it was like, man, Buddy was the truth.
That's tough.
Yeah. So anyway, that's the De La, my De La love. I mean, they've done a lot of other albums since then. Balloon Mind State, Stakes is High is dope. Stakes is High song, you would like that. Pasta Trugoy says he, was kind of during that shiny suit era of hip hop. They called it. Everybody's just talking about popping bottles and wearing expensive clothes and jewelry.
That still
and
happens.
they were like, I'm sick of. Right, I'm sick of. Man, he said, I'm sick of Versace glasses, sick of slang, sick of half-ass award shows, sick of name brand clothes. I mean, so many things, man.
Why he hating on Versace though?
Because he was talking about, because that's all rappers were rapping about around that era. Everybody's like,
Back then?
like Biggie.
Still.
It was like the Biggie era. He was all about Versace clothes and the jewelry, like, early Jay-Z.
Fuji sweater.
Right, like, I mean, not just them. They were big names, but other ones, they were just talking. De La was like tired of that flashy, fancy stuff. And they like, get to some substance. You know
That's
what I'm
hard.
saying? Let's not just talk about how much money you got. Talk about something for real. And I love that, man. That's a dope song.
See, I
So if
knew
you
what
ever
Tribe
listen-
Called Quest was on there, but I didn't know it's De La Soul. So
yeah,
we
Tribe.
go.
There's another one. Tribe was. It wasn't about let's just stack cash and just buy jewelry and have a party. They were just rapping about different things. Life is like a growing up teenager, young adult. It was fun. It's stuff you could identify with. So I don't know. Are y'all big fans of De La? That era? Some of my older sneakerheads out there. What y'all feel about the De La Soul dunks? What you thinking, Nigel?
I got all the stuff that you just said in my queue.
Yeah, to listen to.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. That's what we doing here. I teach the youngsters, man.
Okay.
I just like to hear it, man. I like to hear it. Yo, what you think about the shoe, man? What
Anyways.
kind of rating you got on these?
I actually do like these.
You do?
I like them in terms of creativity and just the fact that they're like a fire piece of artwork. Now, as a shoe, to be honest, you would not catch me wearing these. I'm not saying they're bad.
Yeah.
I'm just saying this isn't a shoe I would put on my feet.
Yeah. This is a shoe you just display and that's that.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
they did their thing with it. That's what I'm gonna say. But it's just like a practicality. That's the thing. It's not practical to me.
Because of the green and
Because
I mean,
of the green, the brown.
I think you
the-
can't see it on but I think if you see it with the right outfit, maybe that'll change your
What's
mind.
the right outfit though?
I mean, definitely I'm not wearing brown and green, so I think you just wear gray sweats, gray hoodie or something, and then this is the color and the difference to your outfit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's not
I see
about
the vision.
not about matchy match.
Yeah.
Maybe gray sweats and like a De La t-shirt, but a different color, not brown.
Yeah.
But like even a t-shirt could be gray.
I see it.
Or yellow, like the album cover. Some of
I
that
wanted
art.
the little accents.
And then you bring it in with the shoe. You feel me?
I see the vision. I like that.
Yeah. So when I do that, I'm gonna have to take a couple flicks, and we're throwing up on Instagram. So
All right.
make sure y'all following @RealDaddySeed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But for me, of course, this is a shoe that I was like, it was in my mentals. I gotta get it. It's a 10 for me.
A 10.
Yeah, man. It's De La. It's SB. It's things that I love. So I love the shoe.
Right.
I think it's fantastic. So
A 10 that's a lot. You know what? When I rate this shoe, I'm gonna separate the ratings. I'm gonna rate it as a, like I said, as a piece of art and as a shoe.
Okay.
As a piece of art, like as a, you know, just as a piece.
Yeah, it's an art piece.
I'm gonna go with you on a 10. I think they did their thing with it, you know what I'm saying?
Because it's so creative.
The brown, the right. It's super creative.
I love it.
And it's cool. But as a shoe,
You're not sure.
I'm gonna give this joint like a 6. Like a 6, bro. Like if I was a skateboarder, and I was like I could wear like some blue jorts and like no shirt, you know what I'm saying? Maybe some blue jorts and like, I don't know, a brown shirt? I don't know. Maybe I could rock this.
You don't know. You just can't see how you can rock
regular
it.
day to day, I can't put this on my feet.
Okay.
But I do like it.
All right.
I'm not hating that off.
That's okay, man. It's all right. Everything's not for everybody. I always say that.
Exactly.
Tell me what y'all think about it. Hit us in the comments.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out. Let me know what you think about this shoe. We see you
Yeah.
on the next one. Peace.